Sage food processors have been helping in the kitchen for more than 40 years. It all started with the Kitchen Whiz in 1977, Australia's first real food processor. Since then, we've been innovating in this category and have won many awards for our thoughtful designs. We lead in medium and larger capacities such as our 12 and 16 cup models. Not everyone has space in their lives and kitchens for a bulky food processor. That's why we set out to create the Paradice 9.
Designing and engineering the 9 cup was an ambitious task. How do we fit the mighty performance of the 16 cup into a smaller 9 cup footprint? We wanted to design an elegant and compact machine that will live on your kitchen countertop for daily use. It also had to be easy to use, store, and accessible for seamless meal preparation. To make it a reality, every inch of the unit was carefully considered. The result is a compact machine that is 50% smaller in footprint than the Paradice 16, all whilst maintaining superior performance.
When we speak about performance, an important aspect is our heavy-duty induction motor. It's smaller, quieter, and has increased longevity compared to a traditional universal motor that is commonly seen on the market. The key difference is that it's brushless, meaning there's less wearing parts. We set out to make sure this machine is a food processor for life. We're so confident in what we've made that we offer our consumers a 30-year warranty on the motor to handle your everyday prepping needs for years to come. We want our machines to last a lifetime, so we often run abnormal torture tests above and beyond the regular standards to ensure all parts will hold up with everyday use.
This small compact machine can do almost everything a large food processor does. It dices, chops, mixes, slices, shreds and kneads. Each accessory has undergone a meticulous design process, resulting in unrivaled precision. It's a great kitchen companion, effortlessly slicing through veggies, turning nuts into silky spreads, shredding cheese into even strands, and kneading the toughest of doughs into a smooth, elastic ball in seconds. The blade attachment has been carefully designed. Other machines on the market often lack consistency when pureeing and mixing. That's why our blades are designed to sit as low and as wide as possible. This prevents food like pesto and mayonnaise, which are difficult to blend, from pooling untouched at the bottom of the bowl.
Dicing is one of the hardest skills to master in the kitchen when done manually. Using a food processor, the force needed to slice the produce is relatively gentle in contrast to the considerable effort needed to push it through the dicing grid. To maintain our compact size, we innovated with a robust gearbox and redesigned the blade to be able to handle the force. This allowed for precise dicing of items like tomatoes or avocados, through to tackling tougher produce like carrots. Paired with a wide feed chute, it allows for different shapes and sizes of produce without the need for pre-cutting.
The onboard storage caddy addresses two common food processor problems: storage and ease of use. Our larger model, the Paradice 16, comes equipped with separate accessory storage, catering to both frequent entertainers and large quantity preppers. This space-saving solution was born from a simple idea. The first thing I did was throw all the accessories into the bowl to see how they would fit. The idea grew from there. After numerous iterations and prototypes, we perfected it, introducing features like audible clicks, a caddy handle, and colour-coded accessories.
Similar to the concept of painting by numbers, we like to call it cooking by colour. It helps with the location and storage of the accessories in the caddy and makes it easier to follow recipes developed by our test kitchen. Just pick up the blue accessory and you're good to go. Simple.
Our test kitchen of culinary chefs spend countless hours conceptualising and perfecting delicious recipes just for you. The recipes for the Paradice 9 have been developed and tested specifically for this machine. We will trial them time and time again to achieve perfect food results, making it easier for people at home. Having a background as a chef and being a mum of two, I find is a huge advantage when developing recipes. I always have my friends at the front of my mind because that's the number one question I get asked. How do I make an easy weeknight meal? And lastly, the best thing about it is it can live on my countertop at work and at home now, which I find is amazing.
The Paradice 9 is a smart investment for all, a pocket rocket that's robust enough to tackle your daily kitchen meals and compact enough to command your countertop centre stage, even in small kitchens. It's an investment that'll last a lifetime. We've put a lot of thought, effort and heart into creating something that we truly love, and we hope you will too.